Designing a garden walkway is an opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your outdoor space. A well-thought-out walkway not only guides visitors through your garden but also invites exploration and provides a cohesive connection between different areas. When considering garden walkway ideas, it's essential to think about the materials, layout, and style that will best complement your garden's overall design and the surrounding landscape. One of the most popular choices for garden walkways is natural stone. This material offers a timeless, elegant look that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Stones like flagstone, slate, or sandstone can be laid out in a variety of patterns, from formal geometric designs to more organic, irregular layouts. The texture and color variations in natural stone add visual interest and can be paired with lush greenery or flowering plants to create a serene and inviting pathway. Additionally, stones can be set closely together for a smooth, continuous surface, or spaced apart with ground cover plants like creeping thyme or moss filling the gaps, which adds a soft, natural touch. Brick is another classic option for garden walkways. It brings a warm, rustic charm that works well in cottage-style gardens or traditional landscapes. Bricks can be laid in various patterns such as herringbone, basket weave, or simple running bond, each offering a different visual effect. The earthy tones of brick create a cozy, welcoming atmosphere, and over time, as the bricks weather and age, they develop a beautiful patina that enhances the character of the garden. Combining brick with other materials, such as stone or gravel, can add contrast and texture, making the walkway even more engaging. For a more contemporary look, consider using concrete. Modern concrete walkways can be sleek and minimalist, with clean lines and a smooth finish. Concrete can be poured in large slabs or smaller pavers, and its versatility allows for customization with stains, stamps, or exposed aggregate finishes that add texture and interest. Concrete walkways are durable and low maintenance, making them an excellent choice for high-traffic areas or gardens with a modern design aesthetic. Gravel is a cost-effective and versatile option that suits a variety of garden styles. It provides a casual, relaxed feel and works well in both formal and informal settings. Gravel walkways are easy to install and maintain, and the sound of crunching gravel underfoot adds an auditory dimension to the garden experience. To keep the gravel in place and prevent it from spreading into the surrounding garden beds, it's important to edge the walkway with bricks, stones, or metal strips. For added stability and comfort, consider using a compacted base layer beneath the gravel to create a firm, level surface. Incorporating wood into your garden walkway is another creative approach. Lighting is an essential aspect of any garden walkway, enhancing safety and extending the usability of the space into the evening hours. Low-voltage landscape lighting, solar-powered path lights, or even lanterns can be used to softly illuminate the path, highlighting the walkway's materials and the surrounding plants. The placement of lights should be strategic, avoiding harsh glare while providing enough illumination to guide the way. Finally, consider the overall layout and flow of the walkway. A meandering path can create a sense of discovery, encouraging visitors to slow down and enjoy the garden's beauty. On the other hand, a straight walkway provides a direct, efficient route, suitable for more formal gardens.